When we come up with regular expressions, we need to follow certain syntax to create the pattern. The first important thing is brackets. Using brackets, we specify the range of characters that we want to use in the regular expression. Brackets and with characters match any character in the brackets. If we start it with a caret symbol or an exponential symbol, that will negate it, or it will be the opposite of simply using characters inside brackets. That is, any one character not in the brackets. 0 to 9 matches any decimal digit from 0 to 9. Similarly, small a to z matches any character with small a to z. Similarly, capital A to z. So using brackets, we can specify the characters or range of characters which will be used as a pattern to match against any string. Then once we define the range, we can quantify it using quantifiers. X plus means it matches any string containing one or more x's. Plus means one or more. X star means 0 or more x's. Then comes the range. X within flower brackets n. It matches any string containing a sequence of n x's. You can have, if I replace n with 3, that means any string with 3 x's will match that pattern. We can also specify the range 3, 5, meaning there should at least be 3 x's in that string and a maximum of 5 x's. X dollar meaning it matches any string with x at the end. Dollar means at the end, and caret symbol means at the beginning. If you use a caret symbol and then the x, it matches any string with x at the beginning. There are also meta characters such as dot means any character, any single character. Backward slash small s, a white space character. This matches a white space. A capital S, non-white space. It matches any non-white space character in the given string. Slash small d, any digit in the range 0 to 9. Instead of defining the entire range, we can simply use backward slash d. Backward slash big D stands for a non-digit. It is the opposite of backward slash small d. And backward slash w, small w, any word. It could be lowercase or uppercase or even digits, using which we can, any word character, that's what it matches. And there are two more, literals and modifiers. I want you to explore these two as an assignment. Do a Google search for JavaScript regular expression and check out what literals are and modifiers are and how they can be used. In this lecture, you have learned the syntax to come up with a regular expression, that is using brackets, quantifiers, and also meta characters. You are going to use all these in the next few lectures to create regular expressions and also test them out.